Rev up your engines, or at least try to. On a morning like this, it's a real challenge. Your car's fighting the chill, and so are you. The windows are frosted, your breath hangs in the air, and the engine groans with every crank. That sound? It's your engine oil, thick as honey, refusing to flow. Cold oil means your engine's parts are scraping together, desperate for lubrication. The starter and battery strain, and those first seconds cause most of your engine's wear. But here's the good news. Using the right oil can make cold starts easier and protect your engine all winter long. Your engine relies on oil to create a protective film between metal parts. In the cold, oil thickens, its viscosity rises, making it slow to reach critical components. The oil pump struggles to move this sludge, leaving the top of your engine unprotected for precious seconds. That's when metal grinds on metal, causing most engine wear. Engineers know cold starts are the enemy. Thick oil also saps power and wastes fuel, making your car work harder just to idle. That's why winter fuel economy drops. The wrong oil means more damage and higher costs, but the right oil is easy to find. Here's how to choose it. Don't guess. Choosing the right winter oil is crucial for your car's health and performance. Always check your owner's manual for the recommended oil viscosity. This ensures you're using what your engine truly needs, especially in cold weather. Look for numbers like 0.20 or 5W30. These tell you how the oil performs in cold and warm conditions. The lower the W number, the better the oil flows in cold weather, protecting your engine faster on freezing mornings. For example, 0W oil reaches the top of your engine quickly, reducing wear from the first turn of the key. Synthetic oil stays fluid in the cold, flows better, and protects longer than conventional oil. It costs more, but it's cheap insurance for your engine's longevity and reliability. In freezing temperatures, use a full synthetic with a low W rating for easier starts and longer engine life. Don't skimp on oil quality. Your engine depends on it for a smooth winter. Next, let's talk about when to change it. Timing matters just as much as the oil you choose. Fresh oil is just as important as the right oil. Old oil is full of dirt, metal, and water, especially after short winter trips. That water turns oil into sludge, starving your engine of protection. Change your oil before winter hits. Late autumn is ideal. If you drive mostly short trips, change it more often than the manual suggests. That's severe service. Lots of cold starts and stop-and-go driving. Always replace the oil filter with every change. A clogged filter lets dirty oil circulate, causing more damage. Oil changes are cheap, engines aren't. Stay ahead of winter wear. With the right oil and a fresh filter, your engine is already off to a great start for winter. But to truly keep your engine happy and healthy through the coldest months, a few simple habits make all the difference. Always let your engine idle for 30 to 60 seconds before driving off. This short wait allows the oil to circulate fully, coating all the moving parts and reducing wear, especially when temperatures drop below freezing. Make it a habit to check your oil level regularly, at least every couple of weeks. In winter, low oil is even riskier since cold starts are harder on your engine and oil can thicken, making circulation more difficult. Don't rely on the dashboard oil warning light alone. By the time it comes on, your engine may already be suffering damage that could have been prevented with a quick check. Pay attention to how your engine sounds at startup. If you hear new noises like ticking, knocking, or rattling, it could be a sign of oil starvation or other issues that need immediate attention. Watch for any warning lights on your dashboard, especially the oil light. If it comes on, stop the car right away and check your oil level before driving any further. Use synthetic oil with a low W number for better cold weather performance. Change your oil before winter hits, and always replace the filter at the same time to keep contaminants out. Give your engine a moment to wake up before driving hard. Gentle driving for the first few minutes helps everything warm up evenly and prevents unnecessary stress. These simple steps don't just save you money on repairs, they also give you peace of mind, knowing your car is ready for whatever winter throws at it. Keep your engine's blood clean and flowing freely, and it will reward you with smooth, reliable performance. Protect your engine with these habits, and it'll last for many winters to come. Now you know how to keep your engine happy, no matter how cold it gets.